what is microneedling? What is the hype for microneedling for? So microneedling, it's a minimally invasive procedure in which we use a device to roll needles on the skin. Or in a common language, we can say we are poking thousands of holes into somebody's skin. It sounds scary, doesn't it? But microneedling, it has many unique benefits. You have a client coming to your clinic. She says, oh my God, I have such dull skin. I have so many open pores. Please suggest some treatment for me. So the microneedling is the treatment of choice, because it acts both on the tone and texture of the skin. So what are the other benefits of microneedling? Whether there are acne scars, you have fine lines, there are stretch marks, or there are hyperpigmentation, any kind of melasma, open pores, you feel that your skin is losing its tone, elasticity, so you can do microneedling. What are the various devices for microneedling? Starting from the basic device, we have a derma roller, which is a very popular device. It has small microneedles on it. We just roll the derma roller on the skin. This comes with various needle sizes, starting from 0.5, 1, 1.5, 2 mm. So we can roll this device on the skin or on the scalp. So this is a derma roller. This is a very good treatment for hair loss. Combining a derma roller with hair loss solutions for hair loss, it's a very good treatment. So the benefit of derma roller is it's very commonly available and it's very economical. So the second microneedling device is a Dermapen. Dermapen is of various types: NanoPen, Dermapen 4, Doctor Pen. They are available in the market. Dermapen is a more targeted, more controlled kind of microneedling. This is battery operated, whereas the derma roller was manual. So in this, we can change the speed of the needles, we can adjust the speed of the needles, plus we can control the depth of the needles. For example, if we are doing Dermapen for the face, on the forehead or on the under eye areas, we just need to go till a depth of 0.5 mm, because there is no fat over here and we just need to enter the epidermis. If you want to go deep, especially on the cheeks, because we have fat over this area, we can go to a depth of 1 or 1.5 millimeters. The question arises, why microneedling? So with microneedling, we are creating minor injuries or micro injuries in the skin. So when micro injuries are created, the wound healing mechanism of the body starts. So there is influx of blood vessels, the cells, the fibroblasts, all these, they go to the site of injury and they create collagen fibers. Even the elastin fibers are also produced. So the wound healing leads to formation of collagen. So microneedling is also known as collagen induction therapy or skin needling, because this is the best way to induce collagen in the skin. Secondly, microneedling creates many channels, micro channels into the skin. If we apply any topical ointment, so the penetration of the ointments or gels or creams, it is very less. But when we are doing microneedling and then applying the topical ointments, the penetration increases, because we have already broken the skin barrier and we have created so many channels so that the topical gels or ointments, they penetrate deep into the skin. Microneedling can be used for face, for the scalp and for the whole body. So in the body, we can go to a depth of 8 millimeters. That is done by the help of Morpheus 8 treatment, which is the most advanced form of microneedling. So that's why microneedling is used in synergy with other procedures. For example, if you have hair loss, we do microneedling with hair loss solutions. If you want to do a vampire facial, we do microneedling with PRP. The PRP has skin rejuvenating properties. Or we can do microneedling with RF energy also. It increases the result of other procedures. So let's discuss what are the benefits of microneedling. Why microneedling? Why the hype for microneedling? The first thing is microneedling can be used in all skin types. Oily skin, dry skin, young skin, old skin, any type of skin type. The microneedling is not at all painful, because mostly when we do microneedling, we apply a numbing cream on the face for 25 to 30 minutes. That numbs your skin and you cannot feel the needles penetrating into your skin. So it's very comfortable and there is no downtime also. Just 1 or 2 days the redness will be there, that's all. Next, it is very safe. especially in dark skinned people, it's very safe because it doesn't lead to PIH, that is post inflammatory hyperpigmentation. Now the question is, how many sessions or when should we get microneedling? The derma roller is used even by patients at home. They watch reels, they try to do it themselves, so they go crazy rolling the derma roller on their skin. They don't know what depth of the needle they should go to. These are the various mistakes that patients make while using a derma roller. If you are getting a proper treatment done, I think you should wait for at least 4 to 6 weeks before getting a repeat session done. Because when we are giving micro injuries, the collagen production, it takes 4 to 6 weeks. New collagen starts building in 4 to 6 weeks. So the next session should be after 4 to 6 weeks. That is 1 to 1.5 months apart. And the number of sessions required, you should be consistent with the sessions. At least 4 to 5 sessions are required depending upon the condition for which you are getting it done. If you have acne scars, it may take a little more sessions, but if you are using it for improving the tone and texture of the skin or for open pores, I think 4 to 5 sessions are sufficient.